the CNBC Indonesia audience would want to hear from you. What does your company do in Indonesia? How long has it been operating, and so on?
Sure. Glad to be here. Firstly, thank you. So Snowflake is a global company, and we are an AI data cloud company. Our mission is to mobilize the world's data and to empower every organization and every enterprise with data and AI. And it's an end-to-end data platform. We are available on the cloud, on major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud across the world. And we are very happy to let the audience know that for the last 3 years, we have been operational in Indonesia on the AWS cloud, which we launched on in 2023. So we have the Snowflake Data Cloud, AI Data Cloud capabilities inside Indonesia on AWS in Jakarta. We also have not just the technology and the cloud presence, but we also have the people. So we have a local team here of about 15 to 20 people in Indonesia serving our customers. We also have a team that is also building a partner ecosystem so that we have local Indonesian partners, data and AI partners, service providers, helping our Indonesian organizations modernize with data and AI. So we are building the entire ecosystem inside Indonesia. And then lastly, but not the least, we are also ensuring that we are investing in upskilling, because Indonesia has a great opportunity ahead. We have a great wealth of talent, of young talent in the country. And at Snowflake, we believe that not just bringing the technology and our people in Indonesia, that's the investment, but we're also investing in talent and upskilling. And so we are bringing programs like, we have a program called Snowflake North Star. We have a program globally called 1 Million Minds and One Platform that is specifically investing in upskilling talent, digital talent and AI talent in emerging markets, particularly in markets like Indonesia, where we see the huge amount of potential.
Right.
So this is all the investment that we are bringing, and also the capabilities of our platform in the country.
That was a wonderful explanation of what Snowflake has done in the country. We know the implementation of artificial intelligence in one country is quite dependable on its ecosystem and its data cloud readiness. So how does Snowflake view the readiness of industries in Indonesia to leverage data cloud to implement artificial intelligence significantly and aggressively moving forward?
That's a great question, and we feel that the timing couldn't be better in Indonesia. Indonesian organizations across industries are moving from what we call organizing to expanding phase when it comes to adoption of data cloud and AI. What do I mean by that? So there are 3 aspects to this. The number one aspect is Indonesian organizations are now going about setting their data foundations, making sure the data is in the right place with security and governance, right? And it is clean, the lineage is understood, and it is easily understandable and usable by the business. Those foundations are very critical before we talk about AI. And so Indonesian organizations are at that phase right now, getting the data foundations right, ensuring the data is clean and secure and governed, because there is no AI strategy without a data strategy. That's what we say at Snowflake. So that's point one. The second point is Indonesian organizations are also now at the stage of ensuring that they prioritize the business use cases and the business outcomes before they talk about just the technology itself, right? So that's the second key aspect where Indonesian organizations are today. So it's not just about modernizing for the sake of modernization, but ensuring that the business outcome is very clear, and then we talk about the modernization. And the third aspect, which is encouraging the adoption of data cloud and AI data cloud in Indonesia, is the fact that our hyperscaler partners, the data center partners, the likes of AWS, the likes of Azure, Google Cloud across the world, and also many other hyperscalers are investing in Indonesia. And so there could not be a better time to bring the AI data cloud into Indonesia with all of this activity happening. And it's at the right stage.
Well, in your point of view, which sectors do you see is the fastest in adopting data-driven strategies, and which ones is quite still lagging?
So there are a few sectors which are typically always ahead, not just in Indonesia but globally, right? And I would say when it comes to those sectors, financial services and fintech are definitely at the leading edge.
One of the fastest.
Yeah, one of the leading edge adopters.
Yeah.
And with, they have very, very specific use cases also, right? Around, firstly, ensuring regulatory compliance, but also around preventing fraud, anti-money laundering, understanding credit scoring, right? And there's a lot of use cases within the financial services and fintech ecosystem that is driving the modernization of data and then onboarding of AI. The other sectors that we see are at the forefront are retail and e-commerce, because personalization and product recommendations and all of these become increasingly dependent on data and the AI capabilities underlying that, right?